This is a 2015 Ferrari 458 Spider Widebody. This car was built by Creative Bespoke based out of Phoenix, Arizona. And let's go ahead and let's get started in the details. Starting with the exterior, this features an elegant custom British racing green paint over an awesome brown bison leather interior with quailed seats, which is a really nice contrast between the green and the brown. Now, obviously, looking at the car from the exterior, this has been widened. So you can see there's a little bit more room between the headlights and the exterior. This car does feature a front bumper that has an added carbon front lip, along with a rear bumper that has a carbon fiber diffuser. The front also features some carbon fiber fenders with some extra bits in there, and the side bits, as well as the rear, are also carbon fiber fenders that also have some extra vents and things added onto them. There's also some carbon fiber side skirts, and you can see here from looking at these awesome wheels, these are actually 22-inch wheels in the rear and 21-inch wheels in the front. They're Brixton forged R11 RS Targa wheels. And if you're wondering why the stance looks so good, that's actually because this car is sitting on H&R Sport lowering springs, which actually make it sit a little bit lower. If you couldn't tell from watching that video when the car came in, this has some extra mods, and it definitely has an exhaust. You can see some more carbon here in the exterior, along with that custom diffuser, which sits here at the bottom, and that's that FI full race exhaust sticking out of the end there that you heard sound so good. You can see the flat back glass there, which means this is a Spider Ferrari. It's one of the easiest ways to tell if you want to know if something's a convertible or not. It's just kind of by looking at that little back glass there. You can see we do have some tint, some other things. The Ferrari badges have actually been changed to white. The subtle carbon badges have all, the sudden carbon vents that are on the car there have also sort of been put into the car, so it's a lot harder to see, but it sort of clears it out really nicely. This car also features a full ECU tune, so it's a bit faster, so the horsepower has actually been upgraded from 558 to 570 horsepower on that 4.5 liter V8. Now, this car is quite a build. I think it presents itself really well, and the fitment goes a long way. There's over $200,000 into this car and hundreds of labor hours to build it, as you see here. I think it does a really nice touch in presenting itself, and it's really just an all-around beautiful car, and it sounds fantastic. Thank you so much for watching that video. If you enjoyed it, you could throw me a like. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to get subscribed so you don't miss more content like this, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss the notifications. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.